Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to hide chat in Line app. So first of all, open the Line application. You can see over here Line app has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is simply go to the chats interface. For that, tap on the chats icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your chats over here. So what you have to do is long press on the chat that you would like to hide. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option hide that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, this kind of confirmation message will pop up. Tap on this option hide. Now you can see over here that particular chat has been hidden. So like this, you'll be able to hide the chat. So that is how you hide chat in Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.